Welcome to the first ever episode of Booty Talk. My name's Haley Williams and I read Postmasters so that you don't have to. Now, we're entering our fourth week of this semester, and while it's gone by pretty quickly, a lot of things have happened. Perhaps most notably, Bid Day has happened. Yes, Bid Day, the one Saturday of the semester when college students willingly get up before noon to celebrate the glorious Greek brother and sisterhoods. And for those of us who got out and experienced Bid Day, if we remember it, we probably have a lot to say about it. But we don't have time for that. So I interviewed a few of you to find out how you would describe your Bid Day experiences in a concise way.
So if you had to describe your Bid Day experience in one word, what word would that be?
Extreme. Extravagant. Material. Exciting.
Joyful. If you had to describe it in a color, what color?
Bright orange.
Bright red.
Emerald green.
Neon yellow.
Violet. If you had to put an Instagram filter that encapsulated your Bid Day experience, what filter?
Lo-fi.
Perpetua.
Black and white.
Black and white, like Inkwell, maybe?
I think I'm gonna go with lo-fi.
There's like one of the X Pro 2. Yeah.
Nice. Awesome, thank you.
Sounds incredible. And if you didn't experience Bid Day, don't worry about it. There will be plenty more Bid Days for you to experience. Now, where are you going to get free food this week? Well, you can get some free coffee this Tuesday at 2:15 in the Cove. There will be some people from the Peace Corps there to talk to you about what it's like to be in the Peace Corps, how to apply, how to get on that Peace Corps train, and they will be there to explain all of that to you. Now, what are some adult things that you need to know about? Well, number one, today at 12:20 in the Connie McNabb Ballroom in the McComb Center, you can stop by to talk to two of our own SU alums to find out what it's like to apply for med school. They will be answering all of your questions about applying, interviewing, what to put on your applications. All of that information, they will be there to help you with that. So that is today at 12:20 in the Connie McNabb Ballroom. And hey, do you want to become a teacher? Well, you know what? If you haven't gotten your SU certification, it's just fine. It is not too late. This Thursday, you can go to the Prothrow room that's on the second floor of the library, and you can find out how to get your teacher certification outside of SU. And you know what, y'all? I know I've said this before. I'm going to say it again. You got to get on that LinkedIn train. And I know you're tired of hearing me say it, but I'm going to keep saying it until all of us are on LinkedIn. And you know what? Your Facebook profile picture is not going to cut it for employers. So you need to stop by Career Services this Friday or any Friday for the rest of the semester between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. and get a professional headshot taken. And you know what? It's for free. They are taking professional headshots for free. All you have to do is show up wearing a professional shirt. You don't even have to wear professional pants because they aren't going to see your pants. It's a headshot. And they will send it to you, and then you can put it on your LinkedIn profile. You can put it on your Tinder profile, your Grindr profile, your OkCupid profile. You can put it on your Peach profile. I'm assuming because I still don't know what Peach is. And y'all, you're going to be looking good, and then people are going to want to hire you, and it's going to be great, and you're going to be a real adult. That's all I have for you this week. Thank you for tuning in. Please like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and hey, shoot me an email. You got questions, you got certain things you want to know about that I'm not talking about, you want to tell me what Peach is, please email me. Hey, you can even send me your headshots if you want to. Well, that's all for me. I am still Haley Williams, and I will still be reading Postmaster so that you don't have to.